Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Amkeru from veganchoicefoods.com, and today, family, the baby mother over there, so she constipated. So I'll be making her some papaya with avocado smoothie. I'll be making a papaya with avocado smoothie. And as you know, family, when you're pregnant, constipation is a serious thing. And because, as you know, the intestine is there and the baby is pressing against the intestine. So you have to be careful with the foods that you eat because you'll be constipating for a very long time. You'll be eating starchy food and all those food that takes a long time to move from the digestive system and to the intestine. So you really want to eat foods that are really, rich and alkaline and fiber food, family. So even eating fiber food sometimes you still are constipated because we are, food that we've been eating. It's just sometimes our pregnancy want other things and But as you said, we don't really eat a lot of food like that. But as you know, every now and then you might feel like you're not, you feel bloated and stuff. So I'm gonna make her a nice papaya. You can see, family, nice papaya with avocado, family. So let's do this, family. Let's do this. Yeah, family. So as you can see, we want like 2 glass. We're gonna add 2 glass to the blender. We want like 2 glass. And guys, if you see me using this tap water is real spring water from nature, family. This is not no water. This water is borehole water in Africa where they use some machine to dig all the way down in the ground until fresh water appears. If you've seen me using this water, family, this is the best water. It has no fluoride and no chloride and no chlorine in this water. See, it's fresh. This is real spring water from nature, from God. Now, I was surprised when I have to do my research and find this. This is really a gem. All of these bottled water that you're drinking is full of fluoride. All of these bottled water you're drinking is full of fluoride and chloride and chlorine. You guys, so I'm gonna put this on the blender now and blend him up, and then you turn him on your head. Family, so this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like, family. This is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like. Yeah, family. I think with this, maybe I put too much water. You ready for yours now?
Yeah.
Alright, come. You're gonna drink 2 glasses of this, right? Mm-hmm. 2 glass.
Constipation is taking
2 glass. Of course, 2 glass. 2 glass. To water it, alright.
It's okay.
That's just half your drink.
Because I don't really want something so quick
Yeah.
because of my current state.
See, now if you drink it all, you should finish that already, yeah. I still have half. jar of something. Come drink some more. Drink half more cup.
You want me to be able to cook for your chapatis?
So families, I will be cooking chapati, but as you know, I like my flair, I like my freestyle cooking. So I'll be cooking green vegetable chapati today. So we'll show you how to do that. As you know, chapati is very nice, and I want to try a new flavor and a new style. Yeah, variety is the spice of life. So we'll be trying a new chapati. Wow, congratulations. Yeah, that's good. So you should be pooping on the place very soon. Yeah, family, so this is nice banana and avocado smoothie. Yeah guys, so I'm out. Yeah family, so we're talking about electricity in Kenya. When I used to in Jamaica, I used to live in Richmond Estate, family, and I used to pay like, was it 25,000? That's like 200 and maybe 200 and something US per month, guys. And here I'm paying like roughly like $30 for electricity, like $30 for electricity, family, for the entire month. The electricity is very cheap. It's nice. And if you're in Nairobi, then it's a good vibe. Good cost of living. It's very low. Feeling pain. You want to do the exercise, no?
Cannot distract whatever is happening outside.
Or maybe your belly rolling now, maybe you're ready to poop.
I should.
We have some pumpkin here. Eat how much of this pumpkin you eat?
One piece. But a big one. I'm still full. You know that you've been feeding me since morning and you're not eating yourself. You just biting.
You know I don't eat in the morning time. Like 2 o'clock is when I eat something huge. I don't really eat in the morning time like that.
We should cook chapati
fast.
here.
You should fast in the morning. Just drink your tea, your warm water. And then at 11, 12 you can have some fruits. Then like 3 have your dinner. And that's it for the day.
Call it a day.
Call it a day. A lot of people eat
Not
three
eating
big meals. And I don't know how your body should process that. Guys, you have to,
And at least you.
And I guess as you get older, you find out your body slow down very a lot. Your body slow down. The organs, not working like it used to work. It was like when I was young. So you have to be mindful. So guys, see you on the next.